Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Now install this free app from this developer and open it. Now select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups and choose Home button. Over here click on iOS Launcher, select Always, then tap on Get It, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. But you can also switch between them by going into Settings, scrolling down and choosing Apps. Now click on Choose Default Apps and tap on Home app. If you're to go back into your default one, tap on One Home. And if you switch to iOS, just tap on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!